getting there. Suspension and subframe is back up. Got the engine buttoned up. Pop the hood. I have to put the insulation cover back on the top, but for now, new O-rings in there, new seal in here, new seal on the bottom on the block. Valve cover gasket, new coolant. There's a new drain stem in the radiator, which was dribbling. And well, what else? What else we got up here? It's new air filter. That's pretty much it. I've got conventional 530 in it for now. I want to run that through for a little while. Make sure there aren't any leaks, and then I'm going to drain that out after it has time to potentially flush all the residue from the engine flush and also from any bits of the belt that may end up in the filter. Which, there's a new filter, new O-ring. That is going to get replaced probably after 100 miles or so, and then I'm going to put full synthetic in it. But the next step here, besides putting the diff and the mid-bearing on, is to get the engine running, make sure there aren't any coolant or oil leaks, and then it's going to get a new filter pan. And there actually is an order, kind of, is it clockwise? Clockwise. Tightening order. First we've got to get the other one off. This is going to be fun. I guess I won't have the sword extension. Fine. Let's see if this will even do it. I gotta go in the front because I can't see over there with the jack right in the middle. Uh-oh. Somebody stripped that one out. Okay, so it's probably going to be an M8 hex. Actually, pliers. I got a wrench over here. There's some way to get that screw loose. Make it, drive it in there. Yep, I think it will. Let's come on. Come on. Woo. That was a T5. That was actually 5mm hex that fits that T40. If it strips. That should come loose. All right. Line center. No, okay, I got it. I think. Whoa! Thought I had it. I made a mess anyway. I gotta try to roll this out without spilling more of it. Actually, I think I'm gonna let that drip a minute. Come back, I'll wipe all that off with a clean rag, and then we'll clean the surface up. Mounting surface. Yeah, I made a mess. I gotta clean that up. I think all my oil dry's gone. I'll have to use rags. I'm gonna go grab the new pin. I'll oil up the ring for the suction tube that goes up in here. Let me make sure this is alright. Feel any damage in there? It's nice and smooth. Alright. Actually, let me go ahead and pop that. Let me pop that fill screw out just to make sure I don't have any stuff end up in here. I think it's bigger than all the ones I got over here. Yep. It is 8mm. Just don't get any junk in there. Oh, I'm about to get the big one on it. Okay. This is not gonna freaking fit in there. Let's see if the Freon worked. Well, let's try it. I'm tight just to get it to come loose. Oh, there it goes. Whoa, wait, man. Was that seized? Okay. Good enough. Come on now. Don't do that. Alright. Gotta go get the torque wrench, 10 Newton meters. Alright. Now we need to fill it up. So we got one in here. It is full. Where's the plug? Now I have to get it warm and let the pump cycle it and then check it again. But I gotta get the exhaust and all that stuff back on before I can check that again. Actually, you know what? I may just run a straight pipe in here. Man, it's gonna be so loud though. Might be able to do the exhaust and leave this drive shaft off for now. See what I can do with that. But at least there's enough fluid in there now that if I do start it up, then it won't burn the transmission up. I want to make sure that if I see any leaks, I can find them as it sits here. Okay. I got 3 quarts left. Probably 3.5 when I combine the other 3 bottles. Ooh. It's pretty thick on those magnets. Oh. Good thing we changed it.